Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a comment on YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, open your YouTube mobile app, and after that you need to go to the YouTube Shorts panel or tab. And basically, as you can see here, those are the comment section for Shorts. And basically, to have your comment section, you will need to enable them for your Shorts. So now we can simply just go back and go to YouTube Studio so we can go to some existing shorts in the channel. And basically this is some distinct shorts. So I'm just going to filter by shorts. I'm going to apply, and basically here I'm just going to click on the shorts that you want to edit or modify. So simply when you go to content, you choose your short that you would like to edit, you click on it, and basically you can see the quality restrictions, etc. So I'm just going to click on edit, and basically you will need to have your visibility to be public, of course, and of course you will need to have your comments that are enabled. So basically make sure that the comments are on and that the moderation not holding all the comments, and after that you will be able to start commenting on the video. So basically we can just go to the video by clicking, for example, on this one. And as you can see, I'm being able to watch the video, and simply I can add some comment like uh, hello, and I'm just going to publish. And basically there is these comments that showing here. And now we can just click on this and we go to YouTube Studio, and let's just refresh and refresh the YouTube Studio and see if we have any comments for our shorts. So basically, let's see this one, or this is the one that we have chosen. And basically, since I'm the owner and I'm the one who commented, I want to be able to uh, find or to see all these comments. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.